Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm bringing you my last sandwich for this month. It's my Belizean style spam sandwich. The first thing you're going to need is a can of spam, of course. It's always hard to get this thing out of the can. But I'm just going to use my fork and I'm going to mash this. If you haven't been keeping up with me, well, I made 3 sandwiches already for this month, and this is my last one, and I wanted to end it with a Belizean sandwich. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I would be glad to have you subscribe, and be sure to click the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements for you in the description box below. If you're not familiar, Belizeans don't really eat a lot of sandwiches or make a lot of sandwiches. The only time you ever really hear about sandwich is when someone passes away. So you would normally eat this sandwich at a wake, and I'm not sure what a wake is called in other parts of the world. A wake is when someone passes away and they bring the body to the house, and then people come and pay their respects, and then of course you're going to stay up all night, so you're going to get hungry, so they serve sandwiches or soups or different things. This is a really simple sandwich. There's not much to it, but I know everybody got their only twist, their only thing when they put in there. I'm just making sure there are no big pieces in there, and I got everything mashed. Now I'm going to add a half a cup of finely chopped bell pepper, but if you don't like bell pepper, you can skip it. Then I'm going to add a half a cup of finely chopped onion and mix that really well. If you want, you can add some pepper to it, but I know some people don't like pepper or can't eat pepper. And if you're at a wake, you're gonna be serving it to kids, so be careful with the pepper. But again, who I talk about? Every Belizean picnic where they grow up eat pepper. We always eat pepper and salt or something. So yeah, but I mean, mark the ones with the pepper so people know. The last thing I'm adding in is half a cup of mayonnaise, and I'm just going to mix this really well. If you haven't been following me on Instagram yet, you can do so at Cooking with Shirani. I'm always sharing stuff in my stories over there, so come follow me if you don't want to miss it. If you're Belizean and you're watching this video, leave me a comment below and let me know what uno like putina for uno sandwich. Or if you're not a Belizean, have you ever heard of a sandwich like this? For the bread, you're just going to need some plain white bread. And then you're just going to put a generous spoon of the mixture on top. this is the easiest and simplest sandwich you'll ever make. And I just love the bell pepper and onion in it. I just love the crunch it gives it. And to make it pretty, just cut it diagonally. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That will really help out my channel. Like I said, every thumbs up helps to get my videos out there. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing. And if you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.